Hello friends and followers. Well, here's some germanium diodes that I've put into the balanced modulator of the GSB-100 Gonset transmitter. As the others were way off, I had some germanium diodes and I simply used some 14 gauge wire and adapted those to plug into the little plug sockets. So we'll see if this works at all, but they're in there. I can still plug the old diodes in if I have to, or even some other diodes that I might want to try some Schottkys in here, but this is what I'm going to try and see if it works. I wasn't getting the other sideband node out. I did take apart the phase shift network today, and that didn't really help. So phase shift network is right here. It's in a can here. All the capacitors and resistors in there checked out. Of course, I hacked up the wiring by cutting it, and the wires weren't long enough, so I had to kind of hack it back in there, but it's in there. So I don't like making things hacked up looking like that, but I didn't want to put new wires onto it. I wanted to use the same colors that were there originally, the green and the orange and the white and then the off orange. So anyway, maybe this was a problem. Those diodes were really off, so maybe these are probably within 10% of each other or better. I think when I soldered these and got them hot, they drifted a bit, but we'll see. So let's give it a try. All right, I put a small diagram there too, even though it makes the radio less desirable because there's writing on it. I put that in there so I wouldn't screw it up. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, this is the Gonset GSB-100 transmitter. I replaced the balanced modulator diodes and put some germaniums in there. If that doesn't work, I might try some silicon Schottkys I have. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.